Okay guys, I just put out a video yesterday with this part in it. These surface features reveal the inner workings of our planet. But check it out. If that's not weird enough. Okay, that's North America. Here's the same one. Here's South America. Is that vague? I wanted to show you what I found with this new stuff right here. First of all, it's really simple. I just simply take this triangle area right here and I match it up with this triangle area, this triangle area, and this triangle area, and then I show you what it looks like here. Okay, here's the North Pole area, and here's that triangle area right here. And when I bring it in, you can kind of see some stuff going on here, especially right there. You can see how that fits in there. Similarities in here. And there's more. It's pretty good. Let me just show you what happens though when I move it down to the next level. Okay, here's the next level when I bring it down, and you can see that it lines right up. And you can see how it lines and follows the features here. You can see that the Hudson Bay is related to this because of this and this. You move this around, you can tell that this is related. Maybe like that. See how it fits in there? And then it moves in and fits again. And then if you don't believe that, you can always take a look at the Great Lakes right here and see the features line up as I bring them in, even to the point to where it's right here. Look. I know that there's nothing in geology that shows this about the Great Lakes. Let me show you the other version here. Okay, so let me move this out. This is the black and white version. Sometimes the black and white version's easier to see stuff. So let me start out with the black and white version here. See the Hudson Bay again, and then see how this picks up here. What also is trippy is I don't know if you can see it on this one. Hold on. Yeah, okay. See this area right here? It looks like something slid in or something and spun. See how it lines up, and see how it fits in here? It's showing this is spinning right here, obviously. so okay, so let's get back to this though before I get out of hand here. Okay, so like that, you can see that there's alignments here. What's trippy is you see this darkened area going down to Florida. And then look at the Mississippi. As I line these features up here with the Great Lakes, you can see that curvature is following this Great Lake, and you can see that this is following that, and then you can see that this here is related to this. And you can even move it over. Look, it lines up here. The two lakes right there. There you go. See, all I had to do is rotate it a little bit, and then you can see that this fits in there. What this is, I know this is rotate, this is spinning. And now look how it lines up here. See that? That's pretty good. So you can see that these reoccurring patterns, how they work, because now I'm going to jump from here to there, like that. And you can see we're lining up here. What's cool about this that I noticed is that as these go down this way, you can see that in between here are these images. Let me get it over to the darker area so we can see it. What I'm talking about is this. And let me see here, let me bring it in and show you again. When I line that up, you can see these pieces in between follow the Amazon River, because I claim the Amazon River is a discharge pattern, electrical discharge pattern. Look how it's all fitting in here. You can see certain pieces here are fitting in here. I already pointed out in other videos that these round areas here are about the same size as these islands as this rotates around. You can see again this darkened area is going towards this beveled area right here, because I think this is the inner part of a vortex, is what I think that is, the suction part. But see how it keeps lining up though? Look at Australia. You see this line on the ocean floor right here with that pointed arrow looking thing. Look how it fits right into there. That's crazy. Look at that. It's amazing. What luck, right? But look at the features in the background though too. That's interesting. Okay, so that's enough of that. Look at these islands right here. Fit right in. This just fits into here. Okay, this doesn't look like a triangle, but it is the next step down. And so I figured I'd follow the progression. And let me see what I got here. See how we are fitting? Here like this. See how we're fitting right here? It just kind of snaps into place. Something about this right here it's revealing. I know this is revealing something big actually. Yep, but let me go to let's see the next step here, which is Antarctica. Now I don't know if this is a good alignment or not, but let's just check it out. It does seem to be. Look at, I believe this is linked to a missing continent right here. An 8th missing continent in this area. But look how this lines up. That is obviously related to that. I can just tell by the shape of it. Look at that. Okay, when I line this up here, you got this lines going that way towards Antarctica, where Antarctica is currently. Oh, I'm just looking around here. I'm exploring. Alright, so that's pretty interesting actually. Definitely going to look into this more right here. Okay, here's the North America, but this time I moved it this way more, and so that I moved this too, so that we could get a different straight-on shot perspective here. And you can see that things seem to be lining up. Take a look. Here's the Hudson Bay, the Great Lakes. See how they fit in there? See that right there? As this grooves out right here. But what's interesting is when I move it back up here, so you can see through it. Is you got Yellowstone Park right here, and you got Australia here. Check this out. Let me use this other one here. This one's black and white. You can see that here's the peninsula on Australia. As I bring this in, you can see that it lines up. I think it needs to rotate just a hair, but it would line up with that, and this would line up with this. Look, this whole part right here. And I'm pretty much, I'd bet money that the features on Australia on the land are going to line up with the features from North America, and they do. I can see it right here, because these are the same thing. This is this is connected to here. Has to be. Let's move it back up here though, because this is moving around, so this is just gonna fit over and over again. But look, look how that fits right into there. I'm sure there's more stuff here that I could show you, but I'm running out of time here. Look, you see that? I have to go somewhere, of course. But just as I'm getting to the good stuff, look at that. Anyway, so that's that. Okay, so next is, okay, here's the next one. Like a glove. Again with the Amazon River. See how it continues to fit? Yeah, remember this is more of a straight-on shot of this area too. Look how that fits right into there. See how it continues to fit, right? Isn't that crazy? See how, look, it fits right back in. And then there's this. Let's see here. Revealing some secrets about Antarctica that I don't think the government wants you to know about. I'm not really going to say exactly what that is yet, but there's a lot going on down there, believe it or not. They're definitely not telling us the true story down there. Okay, so anyways, I guess that's that for now, because I had to go. So there was more that I wanted to show you, but I'll have to show you that later. And I just want to get this out right here. Thanks for watching.